Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an SEO expert from 2006 and owner of a Google partner company, working with different companies related to digital marketing, help them, worked with landing pages, worked in SEO, SEM search engine marketing, conversion rate optimization, so much stuff. So I'm here with my experience over here, and I'm going to tell you for the best SEO practices to be followed for 2024. So without wasting any time, let's get started on this. And now you can see me clearly as well. So the first point, in my opinion, is the content structure. With the advancement of AI and how AI can manipulate or improve or rewrite the data, I think that it's more important than ever to work on your content structure and presentation. Uh, that plays a huge role because our ultimate goal is to have content engagement, a better, you can say, increased user engagement. That should be the best practice for 2024 to follow and for years to follow, as to have increased user engagement. Any content that grabs the user attention, have the user stays on your website for more and more time, that can do wonders for you. And for to increase user engagement, what you actually have to do, my opinion, is to have videos, images, okay, uh, a lot interlinks, interlinks where you are connecting one post to another post, another one to another one, that plays another role as well. So I want more and more people to keep on visiting other pages of my website, so in a single website I can tell a lot of stuff over here, have more statistics, data, bullet points, headings, that should be the number one thing for best SEO practices to be followed in 2024. That is my personal opinion. And the second thing is, if you ask me regarding the backlinks, okay, backlinks were valuable in the past, but still right now they also have an impact on your improvement of your ranking. So which is why I believe that backlinks should have or still have a lot of importance, but right now, because it's been optimized, so there are a few things which you need to keep in mind while working on backlinks. Is to have niche relevant. The backlink should be your niche relevant, your relevant website should be linking to you, or if there are ultra rich authority websites, that can be another important aspect over here. And then out number of outbound links from that website, backlink, profile of websites linking to you should also plays a role. That is my another aspect. The next strategy is tropical structure, tropical authority, I mean, or silo structure. I used to call it silo structure, but people now optimize it and then call it as a tropical authority, where our website has a tropical authority over specific website, a specific topic. For instance, if rather creating websites on covering on a lot of topics, focus on single topic and try to become an authority by creating relevant content, relevant information, and that can do wonders. So this is another SEO strategy which in my opinion is going to work, is to work on your tropical authority, SEO authority, create relevant article. For instance, if I'm going to create an article on what is SEO, my next would be SEO versus Google Ads, SEO versus SEM, technical SEO checklist, uh, SEO core updates. Okay, you can see that I'm trying to follow a tropical authority here, where I'm highlighting more SEO than ever, and I'm trying to establish my website as an authority. So focus on those topics, and then you need to understand that you need to have a specific percentage for your percentage of articles should focus on information, some on awareness, and some should be your selling articles, where you are actually selling information or your product or service, whatever your main purpose with the website is. And then my next is to I believe that social media engagement, juice, boost, whatever you call, still has importance. Still has importance. And combined with, if you work on targeting latest trends or topics, this can help, this can do wonders. And there is another thing which I have witnessed so far, and which I'm going to tell you for 2024, is to have your old articles regularly updated. Keep on checking for broken links. Your old article should be regularly updated, your date should be updated, having some new content over there. And in case if an article didn't get a single visit from any source in last 6 months, then article should be deleted or rewritten. I do not want, as a marketer, I do not want to have an article which no one is reading on. I want people to read all the stuff I have written for them. I want them. And in case if there is some scenario where no one is reading my content, I need to either delete that content or either reproduce it, rewrite it with some better structure, better thing, or so that, or I should also increase interlinks so that people can actually read. As a marketer, I think that if I have created information, if no one is reading it, what's the purpose of writing it? So that is an other ultimate thing over here. And in case if you are using WordPress, another thing I want to say over here is that your plugins should be regularly updated, especially in case of WordPress. Okay, there is another thing which I think should be that you should have a hosting fast hosting and optimized website for quicker load. You can even use CDN or whatever you are going to need to optimize your website so that it can get loaded as soon as possible. That should be your ultimate goal with your website, because I believe that speed plays a huge important role. And I think that when someone clicks on my website, and I do not want him to think about any other thing while he has opened my website, and I want all of his attention towards my website, which is, as a marketer, is very important. And I also said that a second late is a second lost. In case if you are quoting this somewhere, write this, that this quote is from ALIRAZA. So I'm just trying to mention over here that because the second late is the second loss, so I want my visitor to think all about my website. That should be their ultimate goal, and that is an ultimate thing. And my next is to also have your website secured. Either try to work with a hosting company which has a blazing fast speed and provide automatic backups, or you can use one on your own which has automatic backups enabled. In case if you need an hosting, I definitely recommend to offer Hostinger. And in case if you need an Hostinger, the details are in the description of this video on how to get Hostinger with an amazing hosting coupon code, two of my finest coupon codes, because I am personally using it on my blog, and I definitely recommend anyone to use Hostinger. So definitely, in case if you need hosting, definitely you can find out. The details are in the description of this video. For the special link plus two of the coupon codes for an amazing hosting which is secured, fast, have CDN, have automatic backups. They even provide you with light speed web server technology which can make website loading amazingly fast. So that is in my another recommendation is to offer and fast hosting, because that can improve, save you a lot of stuff over here, and can help you a lot in improving your website. Also, by backlinks, another thing I want to tell is to try to, okay, there, but not in backlinks, but try to have an audit, have a technical audit of your website, like at least twice an year. In case if you need technical access services, me and my team can help you. The details are again in the description of this video and how you can work with us. But definitely you need to get your website audit done at least twice a year, so that you can get to know points or two which can cause an issue knowingly or unknowingly happening on your website. Also, keep a look on your uh, Google Search Console for any possible errors. In case if there is any error, it should be notified on Google Search Console regarding your content or something broken link or anything or pages. You can have a look in case if your website gets a sudden traffic decrease, or in case if your pages gets any index, anything like this. You can have a immediately find out if you have a constantly monitor your Google Search Console for any possible error. Also, if you can do local SEO as well, and that can do wonders and can even rank your website even on top of the other international websites, just in case if you are doing local SEO. So I think that these are the things you need to work out around, and these are the best practices for SEO for 2024. I hope you like it. And in case if you need me or my team company services, the details are again in the description of this video and how you can reach with us, work with us. And in case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.